Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Lambda has announced support for JSON structured logging for .NET managed runtime. This feature allows developers to capture application logs in a standardized format, enabling easier analysis and troubleshooting of their Lambda functions. AWS Lambda now enables it to natively capture application logs in JSON structured format for Lambda functions that use the .NET managed runtime. This feature is particularly useful for debugging purposes, as it provides a clear and concise view of the events occurring within your code. The new feature supports capturing application logs in JSON format without requiring developers to manually configure logging libraries. This simplifies the process of setting up logging for .NET-based Lambda functions and reduces the need for custom solutions. To take advantage of this feature, you can set log format to JSON for Lambda functions that use any .NET managed runtime using the Lambda API, console, AWS CLI, AWS Serverless Application Model, or AWS Cloud Formation. To configure Route 53 sitter blocks rules based on Internet Monitor suggestions, you can follow these steps. Internet Monitor collects performance data and measures latency for your client subnets behind each DNS resolver. This enables Internet Monitor to recommend the AWS region that will provide the lowest latency for your users, based on their locations. By leveraging these traffic insights for your application, you can easily identify the optimal AWS regions for routing your end-user traffic. You can then configure your Route 53 sitter blocks to map your application's client users to an optimal AWS region based on network behavior. This mapping enables you to fine-tune your DNS routing to provide the best performance for users by directing their traffic to the recommended AWS region. Amazon Bedrock is now available in the Europe regions, offering a fully managed service that enables customers to easily build and scale generative AI applications. This service provides a choice of high-performing large language models and other foundation models from leading AI companies such as AI21 Labs, Anthropic, Cohere, Meta, Mistral AI, Stability AI, and Amazon itself. Amazon Bedrock offers powerful tools for building generative AI applications, allowing customers to create tailored solutions for various use cases across different industries. Amazon OpenSearch Service has launched a next-generation user interface for enhanced data exploration and collaboration. This new UI enables users to gain insights from their operational data by providing purpose-built features for observability, security analytics, essentials, and search use cases. The revamped Discover interface now provides a unified log exploration experience supporting languages such as SQL, Piped Processing Language, DQL, and Lucene. This allows users to analyze data from multiple sources without switching tools, improving efficiency. The new interface also features a data selector to support multiple sources, a new visual design, and query autocomplete for improved usability. The enhanced Discover interface ensures that users can access the latest UI enhancements regardless of the version of underlying managed cluster or collection. This experience is designed to help users gain insights from their operational data by providing purpose-built features for various use cases. Additionally, Amazon OpenSearch Service has launched workspaces, which enable better collaboration by creating dedicated environments for teams to work on dashboards, saved queries, and other relevant content. This feature allows teams to create dedicated spaces for enhanced productivity and collaboration. Amazon SNS supports message archiving and replay for FIFO topics in the AWS Gov Cloud regions. This feature allows topic owners to set an archive policy, defining a retention period for messages published to their topic. By setting an archive policy, subscribers can then set a replay policy to an individual subscription, which triggers a replay of select messages from the archive, starting from a specified point until another specified point. AWS mainframe modernization has achieved Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program moderate authorization for its service in the AWS East/West region, which includes the regions of Northern Virginia and Oregon. This authorization was granted by the FedRAMP Joint Authorization Board. Additionally, AWS mainframe modernization is now system and organization controls compliant in all AWS regions, where it is generally available, including the AWS GovCloud regions. AWS Cleanrooms ML supports privacy-enhanced model training and inference by allowing organizations to generate predictive insights with their partners running their own machine learning models and using their data in a Cleanrooms collaboration. This capability enables companies and their partners to train ML models and run inference on collective data sets without having to share sensitive data or proprietary models. For instance, advertisers can bring their proprietary model and data into a Cleanrooms collaboration and invite publishers to join their data to train and deploy a custom ML model that helps them increase campaign effectiveness, all while maintaining the secrecy of their custom model and data. Similarly, financial institutions can use historical transaction records to train a custom ML model and invite partners into a Cleanrooms collaboration to detect potential fraudulent transactions without having to share underlying data and model among collaborators. Amazon OpenSearch Service announces extended support for engine versions. Amazon OpenSearch Service will provide at least 12 months of standard support after the end of support date for corresponding upstream open-source OpenSearch version, or at least 12 months of standard support after release of next minor version on OpenSearch Service, whichever is longer. This support timeline applies to all OpenSearch Service clusters running OpenSearch or Elasticsearch versions in all AWS regions where Amazon OpenSearch Service is available. Amazon EC, 2 high-memory instances with 9 Type B and 18 Type B of memory, are now available in the South America region, specifically in Sao Paulo. These new instances can be purchased on demand or through savings plan options. These high-performance instances are certified by SAP for running Business Suite on HANA, SAP S/4HANA, Datamart Solutions on HANA, Business Warehouse on HANA, and SAP BW/4HANA in production environments. For more information on how to get started with your SAP HANA migration to these EC, 2 high-memory instances, refer to the Migrating SAP HANA on AWS to an EC, 2 high-memory instance documentation. Express brokers for Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka are now generally available. These new broker types are designed to deliver up to 3 times more throughput per broker, scale up to 20x faster, and reduce recovery time by 90% as compared to standard Apache Kafka brokers. Express brokers come pre-configured with Kafka best practices by default and support all Kafka APIs, providing the same low latency performance that Amazon MSK customers expect. This means that existing client applications can be used without any changes. With Express brokers, customers can provision, scale up, and scale down Kafka cluster capacity in minutes. They can also offload storage management with virtually unlimited pay-as-you-go storage. Each Express broker is charged an hourly rate, with storage and data ingested charged separately on a pay-as-you-go basis. The available sizes of Graviton 3-based M7G instances are large, 4x large, and 16x large. Express brokers are currently available in 3 AWS regions and Europe. Amazon RDS for SQL Server supports minor versions in October 2024, providing performance enhancements and security fixes. These new minor versions are available across the Express, Web, Standard, and Enterprise editions of SQL Server 2016, 2017, 2019, and 2022. SQL Server 2016 SP3 GRD 13.0.6450.1 is one of the supported minor versions, offering improved performance and security. Similarly, SQL Server 2017 CU 3114.0.3480.1 and SQL Server 2019 CU 2815.0.4395.2 also provide enhanced features and bug fixes. Additionally, SQL Server 2022 CU 1516.0.4150.1 is another supported minor version offering improved performance, security, and stability. These minor versions are available in all AWS commercial regions, where Amazon RDS for SQL Server databases are available, including the AWS GovCloud regions. Amazon RDS for SQL Server makes it simple to set up, operate, and scale SQL Server deployments in the cloud. Amazon Verified Permissions has launched a new API called Batch Get Policies, which enables customers to retrieve multiple policies with a single API call. This API accepts up to 100 policy ID and returns the corresponding set of policies from across one or more policy stores. This new feature simplifies the integration and reduces latency by reducing the number of calls an application needs to make to verify permissions. For example, when building a permissions management UX that lists CEDAR policies, the application now only needs to make one call to get 50 policies, rather than making 50 separate calls. The Batch Get Policies API is available in all regions, where verified permissions is available and pricing is based on the number of policies requested. Amazon RDS for Oracle now supports the October 2024 release update for Oracle database versions 19C and 21C. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.